everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to explain you all about the Lewis structure of cesium iodide. Let me write you the spelling for you. Caesium iodide. If you want, you can make it a notes of all my videos. It will be really helpful for you for any kind of competitive exam or any other exam or for reference or subject purpose. So the spelling of cesium iodide, yeah, and today's topic is also cesium iodide. But what is the main aim of our video, of today's video, is that we are trying to find out the Lewis structure of cesium iodide. First of all, you know iodine, that is 17th group. What is this cesium? Never heard of it? If you really never heard of it, that is coming from the first group of the periodic table. Open the periodic table. In the description down below I have given the link to the image. You can open it, and then if you can see, cesium is in the first block. The cesium is in the first group. I should not say block. Cesium is in the first group. There are 18 groups in periodic table, starting from the alkali metals to the not halogens, to the noble gases. If you see the first group, you will be seeing this cesium, and yeah, that's where alkali metals, this belongs to alkali metals. So cesium is a metal, and iodine is from the halogens. All halogens are what? They are non-metals only. Non-metals are on the right side of the periodic table, whereas metals are on the left side of the periodic table. So now, if you see this non-metal and metal combination is what we call ionic compound. So ionic compound is what we are going to discuss in today's video. So metal and non-metal combination is ionic compound, but you must have felt something, right? That means one should be donating and other should be accepting. Yeah, that is ionic compound. Ionic compound means what happens is that it is not like mutual sharing of some covalent bond or something. Let me show this for you. See, both cesium and iodide, if you see, this is from first group, so it has only one valence electron. But iodine, if you see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 valence electrons are there. Okay, it looks odd to draw like this. Let me draw it this way. So 7 valence electrons are there. That means for iodine, if it gets one more electron, it becomes very stable, and yeah, it attains octet. That is what we want, right? That is our goal. But who is going to give that one electron to iodine? Exactly, cesium, which is a metal, it is going to donate to iodine. Always remember, metals donate, non-metals accept. So metals donate and non-metals accept. By now you must have understood that iodine, which is accepting an electron, is a non-metal, whereas cesium, which is a metal, is donating. So remember these 2 points: metals donate and non-metals accept. So cesium iodide. Iodine has 7 valence electrons. If someone comes and asks you, why does iodine have 7 valence electrons and why not some 6 or 5 valence electrons, then you have to say that, yeah, good question, but iodine is from the 17th group. 17th group elements will have only 7 valence electrons, not some 5 or 4 or 3 valence electrons. If it really has some 5 valence electrons, then it will be some 15th group. Then 4 valence electrons will be some 14th group, right? So that's how you need to answer the questions. And now cesium, really it is from the first group only, cesium, and it has only one valence electron. So definitely, since it is a metal, it tends to lose that electron, it tends to gain that electron. That means cesium is donating. To whom? It is donating to iodine. Iodine is accepting. Iodine is accepting. Iodine is accepting from whom? It is accepting from cesium. Since iodine is accepting, this is a non-metal. Since cesium is donating, this is a metal. So I think by now everything is clear for you, very very clear. So that is how you need to look at a question. This is how deep you have to know this subject. Really subject, if you know very deep, then you can answer any kind of questions, because questions are made from concepts are not made from questions. You have to remember that. So now coming to the Lewis structure, the main part, let me erase this board. If you want to take a screenshot, you are most welcome. If you're already making a notes, then by now you must have written already. So yeah, let's erase the board now. So I erase my board now, and now we will see the Lewis structure. Exactly, cesium iodide, giving one electron. This already has 7 valence electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One more electron comes from here, then it looks like somewhat like this. It looks like this: 1 2 3 4, completely filled. Octet means 8 electrons. See, completely filled. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let me erase this. These are not some separate electrons. Totally it only will be there. That is octet. But now cesium lost everything. It does not even have that one electron which it used to have earlier. So cesium attains plus charge, and iodine, since it has taken from cesium, it attains minus charge. So you must have got a doubt. What is this plus and minus? Why can't iodine get a plus and cesium get a minus? That's not how that's how it not work. Because I'll tell you, when you donate something in chemistry, you become positive. Just like in real life, when you donate something to the needy or the poor, you become a positive person. When you take away something from a person, uh, you become a negative person. You may feel guilty. So that's what happened to iodine here. It has taken something which is not part of iodine. It has taken from cesium, right? So it has taken and become negative. And cesium, it has happily given its only one and only electron. It has become positive and happy. Cesium is happy and iodine is unhappy. It's just like a story. I made a story so that you can easily understand. But in reality, whenever something gives to any other atom, that becomes positive. Whenever something takes from any other atom, that becomes negative. So that is the reason of Cs plus and I minus. So this is the Lewis structure of cesium iodide. If you have any more doubts, you can ask me in the comment section down below. And if you really like my video, please leave a like on my video. And yeah, if you subscribe to my channel, please let me know down in the comment section that I have subscribed to my channel. Please comment it down below. And yeah, until the next video, bye, take care.